In this video, I am going to guide about scheduling a shared ride on the Lyft app. This will help you save money by splitting the fare with other riders. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone and sign into your account. 2. Enter your pickup location and destination in the provided fields. 3. Select the ride type and look for the shared ride option if available. 4. Tap on the schedule or reserve option to book the ride in advance. 5. Choose the date and time when you want the ride to start. 6. Confirm the details and check the estimated fare for your shared ride. 7. Tap on the scheduled ride button to finalize your booking. 8. You will receive a confirmation and the app will notify you when your ride is approaching. Your shared ride is now scheduled for your selected time. Make sure to be ready at the pickup location on time. You can modify or cancel the ride if needed through the app.